Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, right now I'm just at the entrance of my below grade basement apartment, legal basement apartment. Now, one of the common problems with below grade basement apartments is like in case of heavy raining or heavy snowfall, all this area, stairs and all are gonna be heavily blocked with water, rain, and the snow. Okay, so that is why we have sump pump and other things to help. But during winter, that may not be too much helpful because anyway it's frozen. So what is the solution? While it's not 100% solution, but I am showing you how effective it is. Right now, you see what I have done on top of my basement entrance canopy. At this moment, as you can hear in the background, severe raining, like heavy raining is going on outside, but how much water you see seeping in? Absolutely nothing. This is what the functionality is. So whoever lives there, your tenant, relative or anybody, this is going to provide a lot more safety if you invest in a canopy. Okay, but of course it has to be installed professionally, otherwise there will be other issues. So let me know guys what you feel about this, and thanks for watching this video.